In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the email signature that gets added automatically to every message you send. And if this helps you, feel free to like the video and subscribe because it really supports the channel. I'll show you two methods, first in Classic Outlook and then in the New Outlook. Let's start with Classic Outlook. Open Outlook and click New Email. When the new message window opens, go to the Insert tab and click Signature. From the drop-down, select Signatures. This will open the signature editor. Here, you can create a new signature by clicking New. Give it a name, then type whatever information you want, your name, job title, phone number, or anything else. You can also format it by making text bold, adding colors, or adjusting the size. After that, choose whether this signature should be used by default for new emails, replies, or both. Once you're done, click OK. Now, whenever you want to use it, just select Signature and choose the signature name, and it will appear at the bottom of your email. Now let's switch to the New Outlook. Click the Settings gear in the top right corner. On the left side, go to Accounts, and you'll see Signatures. Select New Signature, give it a name, and type the content you want in your signature. Click Save, and then choose whether it should be the default for new messages or replies and forwards. Once everything is saved, open a new message and you'll see your updated signature automatically added at the bottom. That's how you change your signature in Outlook. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick and useful guides.